Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send USDT from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. If you're looking to move your Tether, USDT, between these popular platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will make it simple and stress-free. USDT is a stablecoin that's perfect for quick transfers without the volatility of other cryptos, and by 2025, with blockchain tech evolving, these processes are even smoother. First off, ensure you have USDT in your Coinbase account. If not, buy or deposit it there to get started. Log into your Coinbase app or website and head to the Assets section. Find USDT in your portfolio. That's your starting point. Next, switch over to Robinhood. Go to your Crypto Wallet tab and locate the USDT deposit address. This is crucial. Copy it carefully to avoid any mix-ups, as crypto addresses are case-sensitive and errors can lead to lost funds. Now, back in Coinbase, select USDT from your assets and click on Send or Withdraw. You'll see a form pop up. Paste in the Robinhood address you just copied. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network type. For USDT, it's usually ERC20 or another specified chain, so make sure it matches to keep fees low. Review everything on the confirmation screen, including transaction fees and details. Once you're good, hit Confirm. You'll get a transaction ID, and the transfer should process in minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always double-check addresses and monitor your accounts for security. By 2025, with enhanced blockchain speeds, this might be even faster, but patience is key. Once it's done, log back into Robinhood and verify that your USDT has arrived. That's it, you've successfully transferred your funds. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.